Yes, they are here. A big round of applause and let's give him a standing ovation to our Vice President of ICI, Charanjot Nanda Singh sir, and immediate past President of ICI, Aniket Talati sir. I request Sunil Bhai, Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, Pushottam Khandelwal sir, Central Council member, to escort our Vice President of ICI, Charanjot Singh Nanda sir, and immediate past President Aniket sir to the dais. Now I request all the members to rise up for the ICI motto.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमाणः निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तदेव शुक्रदब्रह्मा तदब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यधिकश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
Now I request dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to join for the lighting of the lamp. Also request Chintan Bhai, Bishan Bhai, Fenil Bhai, Samir Bhai, Sanjay Bhai, Rupesh Bhai to join for the lighting of the lamp.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Now I request Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunil Sanghvi sir, to address the gathering.
Respected Honorable Vice President of the ICI, CA Charanjot Singh Nanda ji, immediate past President of the ICI, CA Aniket Talati, Central Council Member, CA Purushottam Khandelwal, Secretary of the branch, CA Sunis Shah, Regional Council Member, CA Chintan Bhai Patel, Managing Committee Member, CA Bishan Bhai Shah, CA Samir Chaudhary, past Chairman of the branch, CA Fenil Shah, today's panelists present over here, CA Sanjay Bhai Shah, CA Rupesh Bhai Shah, CA Anant Ladda, senior members and all dear participants. Good morning all of you. I can see the full audience on this Sunday morning and I hope you have enjoyed yesterday the entire session starting from the Vijay Kedia sir up to the panel discuss. And today also we are having a beautiful sessions today. One more announcement that we are having the session on the peer review also, which is most important for in a phased manner that is going to be mandatory for all the firms. So on the 26th June, we are having the seminar on the peer review at our branch, and as announced yesterday, on the 1st July, the flag hosting at 10 a.m. and followed by the cultural evening at Club 07. So requesting all of you to participate in that, to register yourself. And thank you very much. We are awaiting for the dignitaries. So thank you.
Now I request Central Council Member Purushottam Khandelwal sir and Chairman of Ahmedabad branch to felicitate our Vice President of ICAI Charanjot Singh Nanda sir with a bouquet and a memento. Now it's my privilege to felicitate our immediate President of ICAI, C. Aniket Talati sir, with a memento. Now I request Chintan Bhai and Bishan Bhai to be on the stage to felicitate our Central Council member Purushottam Bhai with a memento. Request Purushottam Bhai to address the gathering.
Good morning. Respected Vice President of ICAI, CA Charanjot Singh Nanda, whom I know so many years since I started my branch, 2007 to till today, I got an opportunity to work with this Nanda sir. नंदा सर के बारे में बोला जाता है कि बंदों के बंदा नंदा, मतलब इतने लोगों के सर आप चाह के कि अगर मैं आपको लेके ना आऊँ तो रास्ते में रोक ले आपको, मतलब दे आर सो कोऑपरेटिव, सो गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग, always smiling, always dedicated to the council. I have seen working with Nanda in last 2 years. Sir, you always support the council. Immediate past president of ICAI from my own city, Aniket bhai, we started journey together in 2010 to the president. And sir, मुझे दुख है कि आप छोड़ के जा रहे हो मेरे को, अकेला अभी दिल्ली अकेला जाने की इच्छा भी नहीं होती, सब दो चलते के चलो साथ में चलते हैं. You have did lot of works for the profession, for the Ahmedabad branch. You have given a gift to the Ahmedabad branch of 1,25,000 square feet. टेक्नोलॉजी अद्यतन बिल्डिंग जो आईसीआई का सबसे बड़ा भवन है, ये ऐसा आपने दिया है. मेंबर्स के लिए बहुत सारा काम किया, बहुत सारे टूल्स लेके आए, डेब्स में आपने बहुत सारा काम किया है. यू हैव गिवन मी द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ सीपी कमिटी वेयर वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क. सुनील भाई संघवी, मोस्ट वाइब्रेंट चेयरमैन ऑफ द अहमदाबाद ब्रांच, सेक्रेटरी सुनीत भाई ऑफ द डाइस, चंदन भाई पटेल रीजनल काउंसिल मेंबर, 5 चेयरमैन बिशन भाई, फैनिल भाई, लर्नेड पैनलिस्ट नृपेश भाई, संजय भाई, Anant Ladda ji, and respected members. I will not take much of time because yesterday we have heard the Vijay Kedia sir, they had given so many tips to members how to be a good investor, where to create a wealth. So today the panelist is here, both the leader is here. So we will, rather than me, the leader will speak to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Purushottam bhai. Now I request immediate past President of ICAI, Aniket bhai, to address the gathering.
Thank you very much, Suneet bhai. The very respected Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and somebody who I have also had the pleasure of knowing for many years, somebody who's truly dedicated for the cause of the profession. And you can all see it's a Sunday morning. It's a day when, as a Vice President, you get one day of the week to be with your family in the city that you belong to, and typically one would try to be in their hometown. But his love for the profession is such that even in this year, which is the election year of the Institute, rather than being in his own region and in North, Sir has chosen to travel all the way to Ahmedabad. He arrived at 2 in the morning yesterday and is here in our midst to address all of you. So thank you very much, Honorable Vice President, sir. I think it is your commitment for the profession for so many years, which we all have to learn and imbibe. And truly, sir, a matter of great pleasure and pride for us to have you. My very dear colleague, Purushottam Bhai, in the council, as he rightly mentioned, 15 plus years that we have worked together from branch, regional council and central council. And again, somebody who has ensured that whatever is the change, whatever is the flavor of the season, it may be GST, it may be income tax, or today when the capital markets are at all-time high, the interest of members in financial markets is so high. To keep such a wonderful national program, Purushottam Bhai, really your passion for the profession is admirable and we all deeply appreciate it. So continue doing the great work, sir, that you're doing. My compliments to Chairman Sunil Bhai, who's instrumental in organizing this. Vice President sir was mentioning to me that Sunday subha, itne public gather karna, and I think that's the beauty of the city of Ahmedabad, and under your chairmanship, Sunil Bhai, we are able to achieve this. So compliments to all of you. I think none of you have come here for those CPA credits or for the compulsory training, but I think it's our, of course, passion and hunger for knowledge, and of course our financial interest that draws us all in capital markets, and rightly so. In fact, I am, as a past president, delighted to see when our members participate in events like this, because many a times I have noticed that if there is an event on GST, on income tax, which usually relate to the client's GST or income tax, we gather in large numbers. But for our own benefit, if there is an event on accounting or auditing standards, there is an event on practice development, practice management, how to grow your firm, or even financial markets, we generally don't see so much participation. And I always say to members that it's good that we are always client-centric, but sometimes, maybe once a week, you must become a little selfish and think about your own growth and your own development. So I'm delighted that membership is truly awakening to that, and we are seeing such wonderful participation. Secretary Sunit Bhai, other members of the managing committee, past chairman, Chintan Bhai, my colleague in the regional council, the two speakers, I think who are here, Rupesh Bhai, Sanjay Bhai, and all the other speakers who are going to speak after this. I think I will not dwell upon the topic of financial markets, because you have experts, Mr. Kedia yesterday and other speakers today, Jitu Bhai and others who are going to talk about the financial market. So I will not dare and delve into those areas. I will also not speak about the institute, because we have a customary protocol. If the president or vice president are there, we as council members, even though as immediate past president, we will not touch upon any matters of the institute. It's the prerogative of Honorable Vice President, sir, to speak about it. So what do I speak upon? I was thinking while I was coming here, and I think 4 or 5 life lessons that one can learn from our Honorable Vice President, and I think what you can apply in dealing with financial markets. I think first and foremost, and pardon me, sir, I will, if I go a little personal, but I think one thing that I will definitely like each one of us to appreciate. Charanjot Singh Nanda ji, council member who has been in the council for 5 terms, has come back in the council, and only with his grit, with his dedication and with his patience, he has been able to become the Vice President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I think that's a wonderful quality that we all must deeply acknowledge. And if I was to apply it for us in our financial market journey, what quality does that teach us? It teaches us to be patient. In life, you have to be patient. I think many a times when you invest, we are here for the short run, trying to look at IRR, XIRR and short-term returns. But I think market teaches you one thing, that you have to have patience. Over the life cycle, as Nandaji will bear, he has been in the council from 2004. He would have seen the institute cycle from up to down, from all-time highs to all-time lows. But I think what is important is to be patient, to be perseverant, and to be in the game. And I think that is what we must learn from our Honorable Vice President. Second, I think what I have seen with him, and this is truly from my personal experience that I can tell you, I have known Nanda sir when my father was in the council. And therefore he could very rightly call me Aniket and address me as his child, because he has seen my father as his colleague in the council. But the moment I got elected as the vice president, not once from that date till today has he addressed me by the first name. He used to call me respected vice president and honorable president in my entire journey of president. And that shows humility, and that shows the kind of respect that he has for the chair. Sir, truly remarkable qualities that shows the heart of gold that you have. And if I have to compare that with the quality that you need while you deal with financial markets, you have to respect the market. End of the day, market is king. You may think that મારો સારો ટાઈમ ચાલે છે, મારા ગ્રહો બધા સારા છે એટલે માર્કેટ પણ સારું ચાલશે. જરૂરી નથી. Market has its own life cycle and we must respect it, we must adore it. And I think one very, very important quality that I've learned from the Honorable Vice President is that he loves to care about what membership wants. I'll give you one example which will strike a chord with all of you. We were in the meeting of Ethical Standards Board a couple of years ago, and the matter came up whether chartered accountants in practice should be allowed to do derivative trading or not. Huge views. You know what the institute's stand has been for almost 70 years. And there comes Mr. Nanda, and I'm calling him Mr. Nanda, apologies Mr. Vice President, but at that time he was the council member. And he very clearly makes a very strong argument. But even in his argument, the humbleness, the politeness is not lost. And he says to the council that we have always looked at the code of ethics by wearing the income tax spectacles. And we all said, why do you say that? He says, because when you have not allowed chartered accountant in practice to deal in derivatives, what was the logic of the council then? And this is his great institutional memory where he recollects what has happened. He will read through the past council minutes and he says, just because that income is taxed in the head, income from business and profession, that doesn't mean that it is a business and therefore a chartered accountant in practice and in full-time profession must not do it. Who is better than a chartered accountant? Who understands what is balance sheet, who understands what is PAT, PBT, EBITDA, who understands what a PE ratio is the best suited person to make financial decisions. Today, when you look at the markets, you see the biggest fund managers, they come from our profession. You look at the biggest financial advisors, they come from our profession. Then why should we bar our own chartered accountants from doing their own financial good? And I think he made such a convincing argument in the Ethical Standards Board and then subsequently in the council that today, if we are permitted to deal in derivatives, of course barring commodities, because he made a valid point that I don't want a chartered accountant in practice office, he's dealing in maybe let's say gaun chokha and you have barrels of gaun and chokha lying in his office. I think that will be very demeaning and not befitting to the profession of chartered accountants. But he wants to deal with futures, options and other financial instruments. We must allow it. And that amendment, if it was made in the Code of Ethics, it was because of the efforts and the vision of the Honorable Vice President. So very important quality that we must learn from him is always keep your ears on the ground. He knew what the membership wanted. He knew that this is a real challenge that the membership was facing. The entire market was making money. Our chartered accountants were consulting their clients and helping them make money. But why bar our members from financial success? And I think I'm extremely confident with him as the Vice President and going on to become the President, we will see some path-breaking changes which will allow further relaxation to chartered accountants in person, and I speak here totally in my personal capacity and refer to our personal discussions only. I have discussed it with the Honorable Vice President, and we both have the feeling that in today's world, the Council must relook. Whatever it decides is for the Council's wisdom to prevail. We must relook at what we allow our chartered accountants to do. I think our Code of Ethics, our Act was framed in 1949. The situation today is very different. Today, globally, chartered accountants in practice advise on financial instruments, and I think somewhere we will also have to start looking as to why chartered accountants in practice are not allowed to do certain aspects which are in fact very, code running parallel to the profession. I think that's something that we must at some point debate in the Council, and I am extremely confident with the person who has been a chairman of this Financial Market Committee, somebody who understands the pulse of the market and also appreciates that this is not something which will bring a disrepute to the profession, but in fact increase the glory of chartered accountants. Because if you allow chartered accountants and give them the financial independence to earn out of consulting on financial products, and if his income level arises, I think it runs corollary to the fact he will not then therefore sign on audit reports which have to compromise some kind of integrity. So I think if you compare that, somewhere I'm sure, Vice President Sir, under your leadership, we will be debating these issues and the Council's wisdom will prevail. But as I always say, truly it's a matter of great pleasure, pride and privilege to hear the Honorable Vice President. I am thankful that I don't have to speak after him, because if you have to speak after him, it becomes very difficult to get the attention of the audience the way he mesmerizes everybody. But ever smiling, ever charming person, and truly somebody who's a friend of everybody. And as Purushottam Bhai introduced him, Bando ka Banda, Charanjot Singh Nanda, our Honorable Vice President. Thank you very much and wish all of us a very happy learning.
Thank you so much, Aniket sir, for the enthralling speech. Although you said you could not mesmerize, but you always mesmerize. That's the beauty of his speech. A big round of applause once again for him. Now I request most awaited Vice President of ICAI, Charanjot Singh Nanda sir, to address the gathering and have his views, insights of the ICAI.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My salutations to the entire crowd of Ahmedabad. Sunday morning, away for family, in such huge number, differentiates Ahmedabad from the entire world. And I would like to confess from the dais, मुझे आजकल अहमदाबाद अमृतसर ही लगने लग पड़ा है. Coming to Ahmedabad is homecoming. इसीलिए मैं सुबह की फ्लाइट ना लेकर रात 11 बजे आ गया. मैं कहा रात यहाँ गुजारा तो अच्छा रहेगा. My president for life and immediate past, President CA Aniket Bhai Talati. I have seen the Honorable immediate past President over the years. And one lesson from him, I had in the council been with his father and with him. His polite nature, his way of dealing with difficult situations is unparalleled. एक उर्दू में बहुत उम्दा शेर है. कहते हैं जो आला शख्स होते हैं हमेशा झुक के मिलते हैं. जो आला शख्स होते हैं हमेशा झुक के मिलते हैं. सुराही पानी देती है हमेशा सरनगू होकर. People who are the constant source of inspiration to this great profession are similar to him. They give and yet they are so humble. My very dear friend, Purushottam Khandelwal, Chairman CP, son of the soil on the dais. अब पुरुषोत्तम भाई के बारे में क्या कहूं? 2009 से मैं इनको देख रहा हूं. And the way he has transformed himself, the way he has created in himself a person who's always ready to contribute to the cause of the profession is totally remarkable. काउंसिल के अंदर अगर मोफसिल टाउन का स्टूडेंट्स या मेंबर रिलेटेड इशू आता है, ये सरल से दिखने वाले पुरुषोत्तम भाई अचानक ही रौद्र रूप धारण कर लेते हैं. श्री कृष्ण का रूप देखा आपने ना? अचानक रौद्र रूप, एक हाथ में गदा, दूसरे हाथ में सुदर्शन चक्र. He will always fight for the cause of the profession. That is very important. His coming to the council, his deliberations in the council have created stirs, have created so many issues for the council to ponder that the membership and particularly membership at smaller centers is of paramount importance. अब शेर की बात शुरू की तो इन पे भी एक शेर बोलना चाहूंगा. कहते हैं गर खैरात में मिलती कामयाबी तो हर शख्स कामयाब होता. गर खैरात में मिलती कामयाबी तो हर शख्स कामयाब होता. फिर कदर ना होती किसी हुनर की और ना ही कोई लाजवाब होता. The Honorable Chairman Mr. Sunil Sanghvi, Secretary Mr. Sunil Shah, the fashion icon Bishan Shah. देखिए ऐसे लगते भी शादी होने इनकी. कुदरत ऐसी काया सबको अता करे. फैनिल भाई, चिंतन पटेल जी, and my very dear brother Jitendra Khandol. मैं last year I was the chairman of Capital Market and when Jitu bhai was there, I was under no tension. यहाँ पर Capital Market का प्रोग्राम करना है, then it is for him to bring best of the speakers, collaborate with the branch so that it becomes a hit. And over the years, he has been contributing for the cause of this profession. Let's give a big hand for him. And again, all the members who have come here so early in the morning to go home more enlightened. Ladies and gentlemen, you are well aware that the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India was set up an Act of Parliament way back on 1st July 1949, when the most important document of the democracy, the Constitution, was not adopted. You are all well aware that the Constitution to this great country was promulgated on 26 January 1950. The pertinent question that arises is, what prompted the Constituent Assembly to set up an Institute of Chartered Accountants of India when its own democratic setup was not in place? The answer is very candid, very simple, very forthcoming. They were looking for a disciplined band of soldiers to steer this country out of confusion and put it to a perpetual path of progress. And there are we all, the financial soldiers to this great country. My dear friends, we have created markets, we have created compliances, we have created the risk mitigation structures in this market. अगर आप मार्केट की बात करें तो लोग अजीब अजीब बातें करते हैं. एक साहब ने बहुत बढ़िया बात की, उन्होंने कहा मार्केट में लखपति बनना बहुत आसान है, प्रोवाइडेड है आप पहले से करोड़पति हो. But there is a strong diverse view which says that if you want to become legitimate by legal means, the only recourse available to you is the market. Market has paved the way for creating value and worth for individuals. And we as professionals have three very onerous duties. Number one, to make the public aware about the risk perspectives. People do not understand risk, and particularly in this bull market. जब आप ब्रोकर के पास जाते हैं ना, तो ऐसे लाइन बनी होती है. जहां पर सांघवी साहब बैठे हैं, वहां पर एक मायूस सा शख्स बैठा होता है सिर झुकाकर, और जहां पर शाह साहब बैठे हैं, वहां एक बड़ा एंटरप्राइजिंग बंदा बैठा होता है, मेरी कमीज सबसे सफेद. ब्रोकर बार बार आके शाह उधर सांघवी साहब को आके दिखा के जाता है, क्या बात पेमेंट अभी आई नहीं है. वो सामने गीता ज्ञान पढ़ रहे होते हैं, साथ क्या लेके आए थे, साथ क्या लेकर जाना है. और जहां पर शाह साहब बैठे हैं, वो नए नए मार्केट में घुसे, वो जहां हाथ डाल रहे पैसे आ रहे हैं, उनके कहते कमाल है, बाकी लोग तो सब आई नो हाउ टू डील द मार्केट, आई नो हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट. दिस इज अ मेंटल पर्सपेक्टिव विच पीपल हैव. इफ यू वांट टू कॉन्स्टेंटली मेक मनी इन द मार्केट, आप जीतू भाई का सेशंस अटेंड कीजिएगा, उनका सेशन अभी होना है, एंड दैट इज और गोल्डन रूल्स, 25 गोल्डन रूल्स इन मार्केट, हाउ टू क्रिएट वैल्यू एंड वर्थ. अगर आप उसको रिलीजियसली फॉलो करते हैं तो यकीन जानिए 2 पैसे कम कमाएंगे, लेकिन लॉस के दिन नहीं देखेंगे. सो द पर्सपेक्टिव टू ऐड वैल्यू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द पर्सपेक्टिव टू क्रिएट परपेचुअल वेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट. द पर्सपेक्टिव टू एडवाइज योर क्लाइंट्स कि मार्केट 5-10 दिन की बात नहीं है. कहते ना, जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा मार्केट तेरा नाम रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि मार्केट नहीं आएगी, हर मंडे को सुबह जब आप उठेंगे मार्केट खुलेगी. एक दिन में सब कुछ मत करें, एक प्लानिंग से करें, सिस्टम डाल के करें. So first important thing is to create awareness about risk. Tell your people that good days do not remain. Tell your people that markets don't only go up, they come down also. Tell your people that there are certain unscrupulous people in the market who would spread rumors and you'll see the market coming down. अब rumors की बात करूं तो अब देखिए, मैं सभी के LODR कमेटी में था, पिछली बार मुझे प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने रखा था. वहां पर डिस्कशन यही होता था मेनली कि कैसे मार्केट के जो रूमर्स होते हैं, इल फाउंडेड रूमर्स, उससे मार्केट को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए. अब रूमर्स को अगर शेर की शक्ल में कहा जाए तो कहते हैं कि कागज पर लिखी हुई गजल बकरी चबा गई. किसी ने गजल लिखी, बकरी चबा गई. कागज पे लिखी हुई गजल बकरी चबा गई. अगले दिन शहर में चर्चा हुई, बकरी शेर खा गई. How markets react with no logics and how you safeguard yourself. Future and options is something which will give you lot of weapons to create value. But the moment you become complacent, you are thrown out. काफी लोग कहते हैं कि फ्यूचर ऑप्शन में जो काम करते हैं उनका फ्यूचर खराब ही होता है. How you stand still, how you come out, how you enter, how you use stop losses, how you use targets to make money. I can see so many ladies, international markets. If you want to open an account, you can never open an account for trading in derivatives if you don't have a lady partner. चाहे आपकी बीवी है, चाहे आपकी पार्टनर है, चाहे आपकी दोस्त है, चाहे आपकी मदर है, कोई भी लेडी चाहिए. कारण men are very enterprising. जब तक बाजार चलती यू रूल द रूल्स, मैं देखूंगा. जब गिरने लग पड़ता आपकी ईगो अटक जाती है. कितना M2M है, पुरुषोत्तम भाई 5 लाख भेजो, फिर M2M हो गया, अनिकेत भाई, ज्यादा M2M है, बिशन भाई, यू हैव सो मेनी फ्रेंड्स, दे विल ऑलवेज फंड यू. बट इफ हैव ए लेडी, जब तक बाजार चलेगा वो चुपचाप अपना बैठी रहेगी, जब बाजार नीचे आएगी उसकी टेंशन शुरू हो जाएगी, और जब परमिसिबल लिमिट से नीचे आएगा शी विल शाउट, काटो मुझे नहीं चाहिए, बाजार काटो, खत्म करो, आई वांट नो पोजीशंस एनी मोर. दैट इज अगेन अ सिस्टम ऑफ रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. I don't know how many of you discuss your profiles with your portfolios with your wife. Till the market is up, she will not at all interfere. जब उसको अखबार में सुनाई दिया, टीवी में सुनाई दिया, मार्केट नीचे आना, she will always start pesting. नहीं नहीं नहीं, बच्चे हैं, घर है, पिताजी हैं, बाबूजी हैं, ऑफिस है, काटो काटो काटो. Second important thing in market is to do your own research. Market, if you understand, you make money. If you are able to learn from your past mistakes, you make money. If you understand how you have to treat to greater heights, you make money. If you are free at mind, you make money. I know at least 700 to 1000 people who make close to 10 to 15 lakh rupees a day. और उनकी एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन 10 से 12 क्लास नहीं होगी. वो लोग जो ब्रोकर्स के यहाँ पर, अब तो सब कुछ टर्मिनल पे होता है, अर्ली इट वाज डन इन द रिंग, जो पानी पिलाते थे, जो रिंग में जाते थे, जो भाव कॉपी उठाते थे, उनको मार्केट की साइकोलॉजी समझ आ गई. अंडरस्टैंडिंग द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मार्केट, बीइंग फ्री व्हेन यू ट्रेड इन मार्केट, हैविंग एन इम्पेटस टू ट्रेड. कोई आपका दोस्त मार्केट ले गया, आपने मार्केट में ट्रांजैक्शन किया, 15-20 हज़ार का नुकसान हो गया, 3:30 बजे मायूस नीचे उतर रहे हैं, कितनी गलती की, आज ना आता तो 15,000 का नुकसान हो गया. घर में सफेदी करा लेता, बिल्लू को साइकिल ले देता, तुम्हारी भाभी को झुमके ले देता. इट इज नॉट फॉर सच पीपल. इट इज फॉर पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन मार्केट लॉसेज अल्टीमेटली आर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. You have to understand how you make money by investments in market and losses. If they are coming, if you are able to mark them, if you are able to define them, that is for your benefit. Your mindset, your analysis, what you are. You are an investor, you are a speculator, you are an arbitrator, you are a gambler. ये बातें आपको अंदर से पता होनी चाहिए. कहते हैं ना, आग का दरिया है और तैर के जाना है. कभी कभी मार्केट बड़ी ठंडी लगती है, आजकल लग रही है ना. A person gave a call to me, कहते नंदा साहब बाजार क्या लगता है, और फिर खुद ही जवाब दे दिया. कहते देखो सर, बाजार या तो बहुत ऊपर जाएगा, बहुत नीचे जाएगा, दो चीजों के अलावा हो ही कुछ नहीं सकता. सो पीपल से, उसके बाद उसने आगे मुझे बोला कि सर आपका टेंशन की बात, जो मर्जी ले लो, थोड़ा नीचे जाके फिर ऊपर हो जाता है. उसने वो दिन नहीं देखे जब नीचे जाके नीचे ही होता रहता है. You have to understand that market is a both way game, and how secure you are is important. So the second step is your doing your own research. You take call from people, take calls, but make your own stop losses, make your own target so that you can enter and go out whenever you want. As an institute, we have a course, FATA, Financial Analysis and Technical Analysis. We have a gentleman, Ghanshyamji, who's from Nasik. He has been contributing a lot for making that. I was the chairman last year. And I want to tell you, अहमदाबाद और मेरा चेयरमैन होने में बड़ा नाता है. जब ऑनरेबल past president Sunil Talati was the president, he made me the chairman of financial markets. I continued for 5 years. Then I forgot financial markets. And when Aniket bhai came, for out of the blue he gave me financial markets. और कहा कि देखो नंदा साहब, अब आप चेयरमैन बन गए, मार्केट बहुत ऊपर जाएगी. इनके जवान पे लक्ष्मी बैठी थी, बाजार तब से ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Third important thing in market. When you make your own research, make prototypes of success. Rudyard Kipling very rightly said, he said winning is a habit. Unfortunately losing also is a habit. हार कई बार आपके फितरत में पूरी तरह दब जाती है. I want to tell you that over the years this profession has grown to unprecedented heights. Internationally आपको बताओ, डैब के चेयरमैन आजकल अनिकेत भाई हैं. मैं इससे पहले 2 साल was the chairman of DAB. I used to go for international conferences. Indian chartered accountants somehow were seen at a lower pedestal. और कहते हैं ना, वक्त बदलता पता ही नहीं चलता. When things changed last year in June, I was in Seattle for a ACFE conference. It was a huge conference for 4 days. 3 days it went unnoticed. 4 days somebody said that this is Nanda, chairman of DAB. You will not believe, people were after my life, having issues on forensic standards under the presidency of Talati Saab. We came out, we promulgated 23 forensic standards, which were first in this world. He gave me a free hand, and we bought out an implementation guide. He said, Mr. Nanda, I don't want to put across standards simply for the purpose of issuing them. If you want to add value, let every member in the country be empowered to use those forensic accounting standards for creating value. And then under his instructions, we set up a group of 150 chartered accountants. Gave them 23 standards. Close to 30 meetings they did. Created guidance on individual standard and brought it to the screening committee. The screening committee meticulously went through all the details, brought out the fallacies, the shortcomings, and communicated to them. They again rectified the entire document and sent it back to the screening committee, which was referred to an expert committee comprising of chief audit executives of all big companies and listed companies. The document was ready, and then it was subjected to 3 legal reviews. He said, I'm not worried about the money which they take. Go in for legal reviews. We went for 3 legal reviews and placed the document on table. Today you have 23 forensic standards, and on the other hand you have guidance on each and every forensic standards, how a layman, if he has to conduct a forensic audit, how he has to ensure that he gives the best quality and best reporting. ये बात यूएस में मालूम थी, उन्होंने मेरा घुराव किया. 4th day, from 5 o'clock in the evening till 10 o'clock, I was sitting with them, like this hall. They made me sit on the dais. They had questions. How do you make audit programs in forensic? How do you conduct interviews? How do you test the evidences, whether they are admissible evidence or not? How do you take care of prosecution and ultimately conviction? They discuss at length about audit document papers. My dear friends, India from nowhere has emerged as a leader. At the present ICI, he ensured that all SAFA countries have their access to the forensic standards, the material, and more importantly, training programs. He empowered me that every 15 days, we had a program in SAFA wherein forensic standards and technology was discussed. इंटरनेशनली हमारी इज्जत कहां बनी आपको बताता हूं. आपको पता है कि इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ सिंगापुर है. हम काफी समय से उससे खतों की दावत कर रहे थे दैट वी वांट टू हैव एन एमओयू विद यू, एंड दे वर नॉट आंसरिंग. एंड देन केम वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस. In World Congress, the president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Singapore was invited. He came a day before. As it is customary, we took him to our building. हमारे बॉम्बे के अंदर BKC बिल्डिंग, आप सब गए होंगे. बिल्डिंग देख के बड़े इंप्रेस हुए प्रेसिडेंट. कहते बहुत खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग है. हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ने बड़े हम्बली कहा, कहता सर हमारे पास 130 ऐसी और बिल्डिंग है. वी हैव मोर देन 130 such buildings. He was taken aback, and the result was he sent a MO to you. उन्होंने हमें MOU भेजा. MOU में क्या लिखा? Any Indian chartered accountant who remains in Singapore cumulatively for 6 months will have equal rights compared to a chartered accountant of the Institute of Singapore. कहते ना, देते ना थे जो जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे. देते ना थे जो जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे. वक्त बदला तो मेरे नीम के पेड़ पर आम आने लगे. The profession is scaling newer heights. The financial markets are scaling newer heights. The leadership of chartered accountants in international arenas. I was a week back in Vancouver and then I flew to Toronto. I had a meeting with the consulate generals there. I had a meeting with the chiefs of accounting bodies there. CFA BC, which is British Columbia. CFA Ontario, which is CPA, Toronto. And the only thing they were asking, we want guidance from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I want to tell very candidly on the dais, the compliance system which we have here in India on stock markets is not prevalent all over the world. The amount of money which we hold in trade guarantee fund is uncomparable, taking into account the contemporary international bodies. So my dear friends, time is ripe. Change yourself. Come out in a great avatar to create value. Your coming here is unprecedented. कहते हैं ना, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी थोड़ा भटक कर ही सही. गुमराह तो वो है जो घरों से निकले ही नहीं. जो इतनी तादाद में यहां पहुंच चुके हैं वो लोग हैं जो जिंदगी के साथ सीरियसली बिहेव कर रहे हैं. ये वो लोग हैं जो अनप्रेसिडेंट हाइट्स टच करना चाह रहे हैं. थोड़ा अपने आप को ट्यून करें और थोड़ा अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को क्लियर करें. आई हैव अ सन हु जॉइंड मी. ही वाज विद KPMG. और जब से उन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, अनिकेत भाई पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने मुझे बार बार ये कहा कि इसको आप कहीं बाहर भेजो. सेंड हिम टू US, सेंड हिम टू UK. And today when we are having breakfast, I was kind enough to be invited by him for breakfast. There also the point of discussion was, what is perspective? How does he add value if he goes out and works, because he knows how to trade, how to create value in diverse situations. Perspective अगर हमारा ठीक है तो फर्श से अर्श तक का रास्ता बहुत आसान है, बहुत पेनलेस है. और अगर पर्सपेक्टिव में लोचा है तो हर तरफ परेशानी है. इन अ लाइटर वेन, पर्सपेक्टिव का मायना समझाने के लिए, अ मैन वेंट होम लेट एट नाइट. When he entered, he saw his son sitting there. He said, "My boy, what is time for you? What is up? You have to go and take rest. What are you up to?" Son said, "Father, I am struggling to write an essay on an elephant." Okay. Writing an essay on elephant. How much time do you have? He said, "I have a week's time." He said, "Relax, I have so many people in my office, I'll ask them to write the essay." So very next day when he assumed his office, called 3 of his trusted lieutenants. First a Japanese, second a Britisher, and then third an Indian, and entrusted them the job of writing the essay. The very next day when he reached his office, the Japanese was ready with the essay. With all curiosity in his mind, he took up the essay. Oh my God! The name of the essay was Elephant and its economic uses. People in Japan are much concerned about the economy. 3 days later, the Britisher came with the essay. Oh my God! The name of the essay was Elephant and its uses to the royal family. Then he gave a call to his Indian counterpart. Where is the essay? He immediately retorted, when is the last day? He said, you have 3 days. He said, wait till the last day comes. When the deadline was about to elapse, he came up with 2 fats book and placed it on the table. The man was very excited, picked up the first book. Oh, it was an essay on an elephant. The name of the essay was Elephant, Exchange and Control Act 2024. He said, what is the other fat book? He said, sir, it is a proposed set of amendments to the act which we are going to bring into the parliament. My thought process to you, you have to create your future. You have to understand the way how you have to transverse. सुबह होती है, शाम होती है, बस यूं ही उम्र तमाम होती है. सबकी जिंदगी इस तरह चलती है. एक इनिंग प्ले करनी है, उस इनिंग में कैसे आप सेंचुरी मारते हैं आप पे डिपेंड करता है. टुडे इज संडे, गो होम, मेक ए ब्लूप्रिंट how you have to work in the markets, how you have to invest in the markets, how you have to create your practice avenues, how you have to transverse greatly in market. और आखिरी बात कहकर आपसे विदा लूंगा. हम सब बहुत पैसे कमाते हैं साहब. मनी इज नॉट एन इशू फॉर अस. आपके पास काम है नहीं है, बाजार अच्छा है बुरा है, हर साल आपकी बैलेंस शीट बेटर होती है. हमको उसको इक्वेट करना अपनी फैमिली लाइफ के साथ. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हग्ड योर फादर इन द लास्ट फुल मंथ. आप में से कितने लोगों ने अपनी माँ को छू के कहा कि माँ मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ तेरे वजह से हूँ. हम लोग जो यहाँ बैठे हैं हम बड़े गर्व से कहते हैं दैट वी आर मोर देन 4 लाख चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. जो सरासर गलत बयानी है. हम 4 लाख माओं की मेहनत मशक्कत और दुआओं का नतीजा है कि हम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनकर यहाँ बैठे हैं. हम में से कितने लोगों ने अपनी बीवियों का शुक्रिया अदा किया है. हम 3 लोग काउंसिल में हैं. अनिकेत भाई, when he became the president, his daughter wrote a letter to me, to him. He said, Papa, congratulations, you have become president. You have become the vice president. I longly wait for the day when you become the president. And more longly await the day when you become past president and come home. His younger daughter, जब भी सुबह तैयार होते कहाँ जा रहे हो? काउंसिल तो नहीं जा रहे? Young girl knows that father, if he goes, he'll be there for 2 years. He was there. पुरुषोत्तम भाई, 2 बेटियां लंदन में हैं, बेटा चक्षु यहां पर है, रनिंग 1 2 1 2 1 2, फैमिली फील्स कब मिलेंगे, कब बैठेंगे? तो हमारी बीवियों को कितनी कंट्रीब्यूशन होगी? मैं तो आई गॉट मैरिड इन 1996, 97 से मैं काउंसिल में हूं। I have 86-year-old father, my brother, his wife, his son, my 2 children, my dog Buddy. मैं तो 1-2 दिन में फोन, सब ठीक है, पापा की तबीयत ठीक है, बड़ी क्या कर रहा है? ओनली कस्टमरी थिंग्स। हाउ डिड कम टू मेक थिंग्स हैपन? गुरबाणी में कहते हैं दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा शऊर, सबसे अच्छा मैनर है थैंक्स करना, शुक्राना। वैल्यू सिस्टम में अपने माँ बाप के, अपनी बीवियों के, अपने बच्चों को शुक्रिया अदा करें। थैंक गॉड दैट वी आर हियर इन सच ए कमांडिंग पोजीशन। सीए बनना आसान नहीं है। एक साहब ने एक बच्चे से पूछा कि बेटा सीए बनने में कितने पैसे लगते हैं? बच्चे ने कहा पैसे तो थोड़े से लगते हैं, जवानी सारी लग जाती है। सो माय पार्टिंग रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, मेक मनी बट हैव ए ग्रेट फैमिली लाइफ। फैमिली लाइफ की बिना जिंदगी बिल्कुल अजीब होती है। मैं परसों कलकत्ता में था, रात को बहुत खूबसूरत होटल था, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, मुझे समझ भी नहीं आया। कल मैं इस होटल में था, मेरी बेटी मेरे में साथ थी, आई एंजॉयड इट सो मच, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता। फैमिली के साथ रहना खुदा की दी हुई एक इतनी बेनज़ीर, इतनी खूबसूरत तोहफा है जिसका हम कभी शुक्रिया अदा नहीं करते। हमें बार बार हर सांस के साथ उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए। आई एम थैंकफुल टू द branch, especially Purushottam Bhai, who gave me calls so many times, you have to come, you have to come, you have to come. I told him that for me Ahmedabad and Amritsar is same, I will certainly come, and I'm thankful. Thanks to all. Thanks for coming in such great numbers. Great.
Shukriya, sir. Shukriya so much. Well, thank you so much for brilliant and excellent speech as always. Sir, when you were talking about the Rudra Swaroop right now, about the Purushottam Bhai, so I was just thinking in past students conference, after listening to you, many students took the Rudra Swaroop to clear the exams and they have done it. Actually, such kind of motivation, he has been serving to the profession since long. Similarly, today all the members participant will have a Rudra Swaroop to have consistency and patience while investing in the capital markets. It's so motivating to know, sir, how consistently you have been serving members and the students since 5 terms in the council and still continuing the same. And as a president next year, we are sure you will add more laurels to the profession. Sir, if happiness was the index being traded on the market, I would recommend all the investors to buy this index before sir starts his speech, so that by the time he ends his speech, everyone would be gaining minimum 20% from this index. Thank you once again for making our Sunday so enriching in all means, sir. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you, sir, for your presence to this 2 days national conference. Thank you, Aniket, sir, immediate past president, ICI. Thank you, Purushottam Bhai, for making it happen. And thank you all participants to be here on Sunday morning. Wish you a great learning once again.